Students, good morning. Students, we have already completed chapter number 1 and today we are about to start the chapter number 2, that is exponent. So let's begin the chapter. Introduction. Exponents. Number of times a number is multiplied by itself. So a to the power b is a exponential form. So let us understand by taking an example. 3 by 7 to the power 2. So 3 by 7 is a base and 2 is exponent or power or index, and it can be written as 3 by 7 into 3 by 7. So minus 1 to the power even natural number. So the answer will be 1. So that is, if minus 1 to the power 4, 4 is a even number, so it is 1. And minus 1 to the odd natural number, it is minus 1. So that is minus 1 to the power 5 is minus 1. Similarly, if a rational number is minus, so minus rational number to the power even natural number, so it will be a positive. So that is minus 4 by 3 square is minus into minus is plus, so that is 16 by 9. 3 square is 9. Similarly, minus rational number to the power odd number is negative. So that is minus 2 by 3 cube. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, that is minus 8 by 3 cube is 27. So let us start the exercise, that is exercise 2a, expressed in exponential form. So 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 how many times? So 2 by 3 is 4 times. You can simply write 2 by 3 to the power 4. So minus 5 by 7 into 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 minus 5. So minus 5 by 7 to the power how much? Minus 5 by 7 to the power 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Expressed in p by q form. So you have to expand. It is in the exponential form. You have to expand. So 5 by 9 can be written as 5 by 9 into 5 by 9, that is 25 by 81. Minus 2 by 3 to the power 7. So minus 2 by 3 to the power 7, no need to write minus 2 into 7 times. You can just find out like this, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 7 times. So that will be 128. Similarly, 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 times, that is 2187. Now you have to see the sign. So here the sign is negative. Negative to the power odd number is negative. Here already written negative to the power odd is negative. Similarly, come to the bit number 5, minus 1 by 2 to the power 8. So 1 to the power 8 is 1, 2 to the power 8 is 256. Now minus 1 to the power 8. So minus 1 to the power even number. So minus 1 to the power even number is positive 1. So it is 1 by 256. Expressed in power notation form. So 9 by 64 is written. So it can be written as 3 into 3 by 8 into 8. So it is 3 by 8 square. Minus 8 by 27, it can be written as minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 by 3 into 3 into 3. So it can be written as minus 2 by 3 cube. Minus 32 by 243. So 32 you can take out the prime factorize and 243 you can take out and you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be written as 2 by 3 to the power 5. And the sign as it is a minus, so you have to write is minus. Because minus rational number to the power odd is minus. That is minus, that is negative. Now come to the question number 4. 1 by 3 cube into 3 by 2 square. So 1 by 3 can be written as 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. 3 to the 3 by 2 square can be written as 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. So you will be getting 1 3 down in denominator, 1 2 and 1 2. So 3 2 just 6, 6 2 12. So up only 1, so it is 1 by 12. Similarly, in bit number 3, minus 1 by 5 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 5 to the power 2. So minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 by 5, you can write 3 and 2 5 times. So as 5 times are there, so it is negative 1 by 5 times 5 is 5 to the power 5 is 3 1 2 5. Now bit number 6, minus 1 by 5 cube, you can write 3 times. Minus 1 to the power 85, no need to write 85 times. Directly you see that minus 1 to the power odd is minus 1. You see minus 1 to the power 1 is minus 1. So directly I have written minus 1. Similarly, 2 2 by 5 to the power 2 can be written as 2 times 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. So minus 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 minus, 4 times minus means it is a positive. Now 2 to the 4, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that is 3125. So in this video we have completed up to question number 4. In the next video we will be going through the question number 5 and 6 of this exercise, as well as I will make you understand about the laws related to the exponent. Okay, thank you.